Hello, this video is going to be very interesting. In this video we are making our first program using the basic programming language. The basic language is made for the beginners. First we will install the basic language and after that we will make our first program. In order to download the installer, follow the link given in the description. After following the link, just download the installer from the website at any location. This will just take about 5 seconds to start downloading. After downloading, just open the installer and just install the program at its default settings. And here we are done. Just open the program from the menu. Congrats! We have successfully downloaded our basic programming compiler in our computer. Now it's time for some action. So we will make an Hello World program using the basic language and its print statement. The print statement is used to print any text on the output screen in the basic language. Let's see. So after starting the basic program, just follow the steps. First write print, after it insert an inverted comma followed by the text which you want to print. We are printing Hello World here and close the inverted comma, and just run the program from the button given above. And you can see we have successfully made our first program which outputs Hello World on the output screen. In this video we made our first ever program. Hope you must have enjoyed this. In the next video we will perform mathematical operations through the basic language. Thanks for watching. And also do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.